Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download YouTube video in your YouTube app. First, open your YouTube app and then play video you want to know and click this video and drop down and click the download option. Click here. Now this video downloading starts in your YouTube app. Yes, this video is download now. If you watch offline this video, then go back and main menu in YouTube app and click right bottom, click library. Is this third option, downloads? Click here. Now if you download any videos available on this, please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.